Google held their annual Google I/O conference with a mountain of new announcements. Most of the media have been focused on the SaaS announcements, but we'll get into the more interesting stuff around GCP, Vertex, Bard, Palm, and so much more. So join us as we go over the top announcements of this very heavily loaded AI event. Hi, I'm Matt Carolyn and welcome to Puck Online, where we aim to bring you the hot topics for the last month in the public cloud space. Today I'm here in beautiful BC, Canada, enjoying the sun. It's been an unusual 2-month break since our last video, as we focused on getting in-person events going again since the COVID interruptions. But now that they are back in full swing again, we are back online with content too, so I hope you enjoy this. In Google news, Google I/O 2023 is Google's flagship event featuring the latest announcements and updates in technology. Developers were able to tune in online for the live stream keynotes, watch on-demand technical sessions, and explore self-paced learning material. I/O Connect was a hands-on in-person developer event series by Google focused on applying the technology. This year the event had a very clear focus on AI. Palm 2 is now in preview, and although Palm 1 was quite impressive, the scale of its new general-purpose large language model that Google unveiled at the event dwarfs what Palm 1 could ever cover. It is the bedrock on which multiple Google platforms are now being built, including Google Generative AI Search, Duet AI in Google Docs and Gmail, Google Bard, and more, with over 25 products and features being powered by Palm 2 today. There was also an announcement about SecPalm, which is a tailored version of Palm to help with security. As well, it was announced MedPalm is using Palm 2 to help in the medical industry. It's reached expert level, with most doctors liking the responses MedPalm gave to medical questions. And they are also working on having MedPalm diagnose images such as x-rays and various different medical scans. We're at that point now where Palm is at the tipping point of doing a better job of noticing things than a doctor. So many stories we've grown up with from family and on the big screen, where we hear the lines, "The doctor missed it until it was too late." Hopefully now the next generation will rarely hear those lines. And Duet AI was announced for Google Workspaces, but I want to focus on it for GCP, as Workspaces is getting enough attention. This is a generative AI assistant built into the IDE, GCP console, and directly in chat. I'm interested to see how it plays out with it built into the console GUI, and if its focus will be on program code or also with infrastructure and services with the GUI in mind. Or will it be generating code for you to execute within the GUI? And Google Bard is now available for everyone. What is it? Well, it's an AI-powered chatbot that acts as a poet, a crude mathematician, and even a decent conversationalist. It's similar to ChatGPT in many ways, able to answer complex questions about the universe and give you a deep dive into the range of topics in a conversational, easygoing way. As well, AI is now going to be included in search. It's called snapshots, and these AI-powered snapshots will help you dig deeper into a topic on search. In a nutshell, Google Search is getting an update where you can opt in for snapshots, which will start pushing AI-powered answers at the top of your search results. In addition to AI aspect, Google is also pushing for more human results to balance the results of its new perspectives feature, which lets you get answers from human sources such as Reddit, YouTube, personal blogs, and others. Talking about search, search will now provide validation information about an image, such as when it was first appeared online. Also, any image that is generated by Google AI services will now have metadata attached to it, making it easier to identify that it is generated and not real. In the future, they plan to embed watermarkings to make it harder to remove AI-generated indicators. So in wrap-up, make sure you check out publiccloud.ninja for links to all our vodcasts, podcasts, and online meetups and events. And click the like and subscribe button so you get notified each month when we release a new episode. Our next episode will be in July. Till then, stay safe and keep challenging yourself.